Now we are going to combine functions to create equations. So say I have two functions, but instead of inputting a number like 1 or 2 or -5, I'm going to input a variable. So in this case, x. So if I say f plus g of x, what I'm saying is I'd like to find f of x plus g of x. Now, if my input is x into the f function, I get out x squared plus 1. I'm just putting an x everywhere I see an x, really. And then g of x is 3x plus 5. So plus 3x plus 5. And then just like in any, come on, do it. Just like in any algebraic expression, you want to simplify this. So you get x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay, so that's all we're doing, except now for part B, we're subtracting. Subtracting causes a little bit of anxiety because there's some sign switching issues. So let's just be careful that we are subtracting properly. All right, what is happening here? All right, g of x. So f of x is still x squared plus 1. I'm subtracting the entire g of x function, which is 3x plus 5. What that means is I am subtracting 3x and I am subtracting the 5. So I would distribute this negative there. So I now have x squared plus 1 minus 3x minus 5. So that gets me x squared minus 3x, and then 1 minus 5 is -4. So that's how I would write f minus g of x. If I wanted to do f times g of x, I would say, using some parentheses here, the f function is x squared plus 1. The g function is 3x plus 5. And I would use the distributive property twice and distribute this all out. So I get 3x cubed plus 5x squared, right? So I'm just doing that one, and I'm going to do this one, plus 3x plus 5. And it turns out there are no like terms in this. So this expression right here is what I would say is f times g of x. I can't put a box around it for some reason, but there we go. Okay, that's your answer. And finally, if I'm looking at f divided by g of x, I would just say f of x is x squared plus 1. G of x is 3x plus 5. There's no common factor to divide out. That would go to 1. So this is the final answer right here. There's nothing left for me to do. Okay, and that's all there is to it. You just put x in and simplify.